Traders, welcome. Hello, how are you? Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed in the markets. Today is Thursday, the 7th of March, just in case you don't know what day of the week it is. And as always, guys, we're going to start with yesterday's trades. If you stay to the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you the trade ideas for today and the important news, guys. All right, let's get started. So this is a trade that I took yesterday, and it's euro pound, and we were looking to buy it. So why were we looking to buy it? Well, we'll start up here, right? But we were in an uptrend. Okay, yeah, we were in a downtrend once we started to get lower lows here, but then price shot up, and then we started to see higher highs, higher lows. So we're in an uptrend stroke range. Yeah, we're between this level and this level. All right, so if we're in an uptrend stroke range, we want to buy at the bottom of the range. Yeah, makes sense, right? To take back up to here. And that's what we did. We had a nice bullish wick off this level. All right, I know it's not a super bullish candle, but the wick is bullish. And the idea was to come back up to here. And so far, so good. If we look at, yeah, it was H1 that I entered on. Okay, so all I was waiting for, guys, was a break. You know, and I explained this in the, analysis vid yesterday. So I know exactly what I'm going to do before I do it. Yeah, and you should plan your trades. You know, like if price breaks this level, I will buy. If price does this, I will sell. If price doesn't do any of that, I will stay out. You know, you need to plan what you're going to do before you're going to do it. And exactly as I said in my morning analysis vid, yeah, as soon as price broke H1 structure, yeah, broke this level through here, you can see, bang, we got this bullish green candle here. I entered, yeah. Got a little bit of a retrace, entered around here, put my stop below here, and then my first target was this last area of resistance. And it's as simple as that, guys. Plan your trade, execute as per your plan, take the trade. Yeah. And if you plan, it gives you the confidence to take the trade. If you don't plan, it can be impulsive trading. Yeah, so plan your trade. It will also give you the confidence to take the trade. We got 1:1. Yeah, I actually closed 70% here. Yeah, I know I normally close 80%, but I closed 70% here. I actually added to my position in here, and the idea is still to take price back up to here. All right, so yeah, we've already made some profit. We're still currently in profit, and just looking at the daily candle, guys, yeah, it's looking good for price to continue back up to here. All right, so good trade, euro pound. And the only other trade from yesterday was Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. And it was, it was just the fact that we couldn't get in on this because of a lack of a retrace. But again, this hit target, right? We were looking to buy it. So why were we looking to buy it? Follow structure. We were in a uptrend. Yeah, this is where we were, right? Excuse my arrow, been drinking. But we're getting higher lows, break this level here, therefore higher highs. We're in an uptrend. Price reacted at a very nice support zone. Not only did we have the moving average 20, but we had some horizontal support as well, and we had a nice bullish candle. It ticks all of the boxes, guys. Yeah. And we had value. And as you can see, price come up and hit target. It was a little frustrating, this one, guys, because if we look at the H4, right, that's what we needed to wait for. Actually, if we look at the H1 first. So we had this candle here, right? So you could have entered on this candle. The problem with it was if we entered on that candle, it finished about here. Right, so we would have been buying into this H4 resistance. So I said to myself, right, if we get a break, a H4 break, which we did with this candle, then I would enter. Right, but if I enter here, I need to put my stop here and my risk to reward doesn't make sense. So all I was waiting for was a retrace, perhaps to here, and I would have executed, yeah, and then took price up to here, leave some money to run. All right, but we just didn't get this retrace in here. And sometimes we won't. And if we don't and price shoots off, don't worry. No FOMO. Yeah, it's fine. But still a good trade idea, and it's hit target. So those were the only two trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my trade ideas and analysis every single day, then please come join us. Subscribe to the channel right now. We'd love to have you. Also, smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. This is important. And also, please smash the like button, guys. It really helps support the channel. Shukran. Right, trades for Thursday, the 7th of March. Before we get started, if you haven't already, please come join our trading community of like-minded traders, all right? Come join the free Discord channel. Within there, we've also got the VIP Trading Academy, where I give you my trade signals, numerous tutorials to help you trade, and you have access to me throughout the day. Also, we've got one-on-one coaching via the mentorship program. Drop us an email and we'll send you the details. And finally, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's many perks for doing so. All right, check it all out. It's all in the video description. Please don't forget to join me also for the live stream today, 7 a.m. New York EST time. Be there or be square. Get all of your questions ready for me, guys. Don't be shy. Ask me as many questions as you like. Right, let's have a look at the trades for today then. So there are a few. So we're seeing this. We're seeing US dollar weakness come into the market. All right, so the US dollar is weak. Okay, weaker than a wet paper bag. Okay, so that has obviously led to some potential trades, right? And I'm going to show you a few US dollar pairs. So straight away, we like Aussie dollar, US dollar, right? This is in an uptrend now, but it doesn't have much room. Okay, so that's not my preferred US dollar pair. Also, guys, if we look at any of the others, like pound US dollar, don't particularly like this one. This is bouncing off resistance, yes, I don't like that one, but I do like New Zealand dollar, US dollar. All right, because if we look at structure, excuse my big head in the way, we're in an uptrend, higher highs, higher lows. Yeah, we've got room to move into. Okay, so yeah, I like a couple of them, don't like some others, but the one I like the most is this. All right, and this is obviously I'm looking at all of, I'm looking at Aussie dollar, US dollar, New Zealand US dollar, but the one I really like is this, guys, and it's US dollar, Canadian dollar. This is my first trade idea for today. Now, we've been seeing some Canadian dollar weakness, but yesterday on the back of the interest rate decision news, it came roaring back with strength. It roared like a lion and a bear and a wildebeest. Don't know if they roar. So yeah, US dollar, Canadian dollar sells. Why do we like it? Well, we like it because of that US dollar weakness. And if we just follow structure, guys, bang, structure break. This was the last higher low. It has been broken. We didn't make higher highs. Red flag, and look how bearish that candle is. That is more bearish than Winnie the Pooh and Yogi Bear. All right, so all we're looking to do is take price back down to here. I've chose here because this is the first area here where we're really seeing support. If not, we can let some run back down to this gray zone here, this support and resistance zone. If we drop down to the H4, because it's such a bearish candle, will it retrace to our gray zone? So really, look, we've got some reactions in here. Previously, I would like to see price come back into here, moving average comes down, we get a nice bearish reaction, and we can start selling it. That's what I would like to see, but the market doesn't give a hoot about what I want. But that's one scenario, right? That would be the best setup we could have. But because it's so bearish, I mean, look at that move. That is so bearish, right? So this is a combination of US dollar weakness and CAD strength, obviously, right? You know, we could trade perhaps the first touch on the moving average 20. You know, perhaps price comes up here, just touches this, closes back in. Yeah, and then we could potentially start selling. All right, so I'm also looking at that, but US dollar, Canadian dollar sells. My next trade idea for today is this, is Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, and we are looking to buy this. So why are we looking to buy it? Well, you know, do the usual. What do I mean by the usual? Let me explain. So the usual is this. We're going to look at 5 things, right? We're going to look at structure, support and resistance, candlesticks and value, and we're going to do a top-down approach, right? So first and foremost, day chart, right? We are seeing, yeah, uptrend. Okay, uptrend. So tick, right? Has it broken an important piece of support or resistance, or reacting at a bit of support and resistance? Yes, it's broken this level, as you can see, very important. That's more important than the signing of Mo Salah to Liverpool, right? Very important. You've broken a level. Tick. Okay. What are the candlesticks looking like? This candlestick, very bullish. Yeah. And we want to buy. Tick. Okay. Is there value? We're not overbought. We're not millions of miles away from the moving average 20. We've got room to move into. Tick. We have value. Right. We are happy with this trade. Yeah, it's ticked all the boxes for me. I'm happy to start buying it, right? The last tick is a top-down approach, which we're going to do now. All right, so we're going to try and take this, this uptrend, this bullish momentum back up to the next grey zone and this 0750 psychological level. Like I say, top-down approach. Let's look at the H4. So obviously, we've got this level through here. Yeah, clear as day, right? Price has reacted there historically. Chances are it will react there again if it makes it there. So if we get price retrace into here, moving average 20 catches up, we get a bullish reaction. Yeah, we are off. And when I say bullish reaction, guys, I mean a H4 and or a H1 bullish candle. I don't care about the name of the, is it a Marabuzi or is it a, engulfing or, not important. I need to see a candle that tells me buyers are in control. Once I get that, we can start entering, right? Again, there is this H1 level here, and price has pretty much reacted already. I am tempted to get into this now. Yeah, and sort of hide my stop down here. We'll see. If I do, I will put this in the VIP Discord trading community. But yeah, we want to buy, guys. All right. So yeah, it could be tempting. I mean, even if this happened, yeah, let's say you can clearly see there's a level there. We got a nice big bullish candle through here. Buy here, put your stop here, carry on. All right. So Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar buys. And my last trade idea for today is this, Euro pound. And before I show you how I'm going to trade this, guys, if I could ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel, also smash the notification button and please smash the like button. Yeah, support the channel. Day chart. We know what this is all about, guys, because we've been trading it from yesterday, right? We don't have to go too far back. But at this point, yeah, downtrend, bang, uptrend, stroke, range. Okay, and this is where we're at. All right, so we're getting higher lows, which haven't broke, and we're getting higher highs, but we're in a range. Yeah. Oh, blimey. Between here and here. Ignore that line. And we've had a very nice bullish candle. There's a strong possibility that it's going to make it back up to here. The problem with making it back up to here is it's about 3 pips because it's euro pound. But that's how euro pound rolls. So what do we want to see? So on the H4, yeah, potentially we just want to see this, guys. Yeah, we just want to, You know, we've broken out of this channel that we pinpointed. We've broken out of there. Perhaps we get a retrace down to the moving average 20, even this, you know, support level here. We get a nice bullish reaction. Yeah, and then we start taking price higher. If we don't get that retrace and it just does that, you know, we've got no room. We need a retrace with this trade. Okay, guys, so those are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Thursday, the 7th of March. So overnight, no real big news there that we need to worry about, but good figures coming out of China. The first piece of news we're interested in is this, and it is a biggie. Yeah, it's the euro interest rate decision. But obviously you have all this other important data come along with it. We've got the deposit facility rate, you know, ECB marginal lending, the policy statement, you know, all of this together is like a 10-star rating. All right, so must be aware of that. If you're in a euro pair already, batten down the hatches. And if you're not, stay away until the dust settles. All right, but big news, guys. As with all the central banks at the moment, they're looking to keep interest rates the same. Okay, so that is very important. After that, guys, we do have some other 3-star ratings. So we've got initial jobless claims coming out at 1:30. These are all London GMT times. So that could move in a US dollar pair. And then after that, this is just as important as the interest rate decision itself, right? This 1:45, the press conference, they talk about how they arrived at the interest rate decisions, forecast for the future, etc. Very important. This press conference makes it just as volatile. And if that's not enough, at 3 o'clock, Fed Chair Powell testifies as well. So as you know, he's quite a powerful guy. Yeah, he can move the markets. All right, so must be aware of that. After that, guys, no other news that we're interested in. All right, so guys, please don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 7 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready, and I'll see you later.